Just finished building another Lego set. This is the Speed Champions, the McLaren 720S. It's a nice looking car. It is Tuesday morning. I'm gonna bring Tristan to his basketball practice and then head to the clinic. Yesterday, Tristan got a new phone SIM number. SIM card.
Is he texting you?
Just with emojis. Is he texting you?
No, but now I text him after school. I'm like, look, your mom texts you now. My dream come true.
I asked him if he told people at school. He said he told a few people. And then I said, do you have people's numbers? He's like,
no.
The only numbers I have are you, Mama, Wawa, and
This guy,
Matthew P or something.
Who's out thinking, oh, I shouldn't have given my phone number to him.
But yeah, he was telling people at school that now he has
And
a phone.
everybody's like, oh, that's so grade 6.
Yeah, I know. Just finished building another Lego set. This is the Speed Champions, the McLaren 720S. It's a nice looking car. Sports car. Orange. And this little mini build here. So I'm going to add this to my other cars.